Although managing your time is critical to ensuring your success in college, it is also critical to ensuring that you have as much fun as possible. College is a time to meet new people, explore new experiences, and broaden your horizons. Just like many other things in life, you will get out of college what you put into it. By managing your time academically, you will be able to maximize the amount of time available to have fun. Having fun certainly pertains to the things you do outside of class, but it can also pertain to your academics. You can make your academic experience as fun as possible by pursuing a major that you truly enjoy, not one that you think will lead to a particular goal. You can also have fun academically by pursuing research opportunities, internship opportunities, honors opportunities, and/or minors that appeal to you. Certainly, you can and should become involved in clubs and organizations that you will enjoy and pursue leadership positions in those clubs and organizations. As you pursue academic success and having as much fun as possible, it is important to maintain a balance. Maintain a balance between your academic pursuits and your extracurricular activities. Focusing too much time on one or the other is detrimental to both. Maintain a balance between meeting and engaging with new people and friends in college, and periodically keeping in touch with old friends. Maintain a balance between engaging with people in person and engaging with people via social media, with an emphasis on engaging in person. Finally, in all circumstances, place an emphasis on your safety. Always lock your doors and windows. Never leave your personal property unattended. Be ever aware of your surroundings, regardless of whether you are on campus or elsewhere. Always walk with other people, especially at night. Do not become complacent, despite the safe feeling of the campus. Never drive drunk or get into a car with someone who has been drinking or doing drugs. Maintain control if you decide to drink, and never drink so much that you cannot control your own actions. Say no forcefully and repeatedly if a romantic partner ever tries to do something that you do not want to do. If you decide to say yes, always have and use protection. In all that you do, be resilient. Look out for your friends' safety, but not to the detriment of your own. Be willing to say yes to opportunities that are presented to you, but never pursue an opportunity that you feel might be unsafe.